All right, my name is Donna Pavelka, and I'm about to do lesson 1-20. This is my lesson plan that's been written out. And this is the highlighted sounds that we have already covered that I will be using in our video today. All right, and this is my lovely student right here that is going to be helping me out today. All right, so are you ready to get started today? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to review some sounds that we've already covered in class. And what I want you to do is I want you to look at this. I'm going to say the sound, and I want you to say the sound, and we're going to go quickly through it. Actually, I'm not going to say the sound. You're going to say the sound.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Ooh.
All right.
Mm. Eh. Er. Ja.
Good.
S. Ah. Ah. D. G.
Try not to add any uhs.
Okay.
S. Good job. Good correction.
I know, right? That's the
Alright.
cookie sticker.
All right, great job. All right, now the next part of our lesson, we're still reviewing all the things that we've done before, is going to be listening with your ear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say a sound, and you're going to actually write what you hear in the sound. Okay? All right. All right, so what I'll do is I'll say fingers up. You're going to put your finger up. You can use one or two fingers. It doesn't matter. And then I will say the sound, and then I'm going to point to the sand, and then I want you to write that letter that corresponds to the sound in the sand.
Okay.
And then I want you to underline it and say the name of the letter. Okay? All right, ready? All right, let's try this one. D. All right.
D. D.
Good job. All right. Fingers up. All right. Good.
G. G.
All right, great. All right, next one is
H.
great. All right. The next one is
A. A.
great job. All right, good job. Fingers up. You know how to do that. All right, the next one is
Ah. O. Ah.
good job. All right, next is
P.
good job. All right. What about this next one? Fingers up. All right.
C. S.
Yes. C says k. S is s. Good job. All right. Now, great job on listening with your ears today. Now we're going to put all of those things together, and we're going to go back to our cards. And what you're going to do is you're going to put all of these together to blend a word, okay? And I'm going to be moving them as you blend them. I'm putting it back here like this. So what you're going to do is I'm going to say fingers up, okay? And you're going to put your finger up just like it in the sand. But then what you'll do is you're going to call out each sound as you point to each sound. And then when you've said all the sounds, you're going to underline them all as you're blending them to make a word, okay? Now, these aren't going to be real words. They could be real words. They might not be real words, okay? All right, so you ready? Fingers up. Okay, now I want you to point each sound, okay?
N. I. O. Nil.
Excellent job. Good.
I. O. Hill.
Good. Fingers up. Let me change this one too. All right, there you go.
Huh.
Good. That was weird, wasn't
I
it?
know, right?
All right, let's try this one. Wait, let me move this one too. That would be
Okay. J. J.
okay. All right. How about that? Very good. Okay, fingers up.
Dot.
Good. You actually put those two together really quickly. All right. What about that?
Oh, I know that one. Got.
Very nice. All right, let me trick you up here and let's see if I can put this one here. Let's swap. What about that? Can you try that one?
Go. Up. Got.
Excellent. All right. Let's go back to this one. Oh.
I know that. Gap.
All right. That was quick. What about that one?
Cap. Cap.
Excellent. Oops. And it fell.
Oh. Map.
Map. Excellent. All right. What about this one?
I have to do this a lot. Mop.
Oh. All right. Very good job. So proud of you. It's a great review today. All right. So the next thing that we're going to move on into, let me move this to the side. I don't think we need this anymore. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is I noticed you had some trouble with some vowels and you were kind of mixing up some vowels, so I want to focus on 2 vowel sounds today. And so I'm going to give you these sticks, and these sticks represent 2 different vowel sounds that we've learned. All right, so whenever I say a sound, I want you to say the sound too, but I also want you, when I give you a thumbs up, to hold up the stick that represents that sound, okay? All right, so you ready to try it? Let me get my card here so I can. All right, so you ready? All right, so the first sound I want you to find is this sound. Ah. Repeat.
Ah.
Okay? Thumbs up. That means hold up your stick.
Oh.
Stick up.
Ah.
Good. All right. And you can hold both of them at the same
Okay.
time, like this. And then whenever you just
All right.
pull them up like that. Okay? The next one is I.
I. I.
Excellent. Right. And see, if you notice the pictures on them, itch, and ah, octopus, ah. All right, good. All right, what about this one? Ah.
Ah. Oh.
Thumbs up. Good. All right, good. What about I?
I. I.
Okay, great. All right, now we're going to get a little harder now. All right, instead of me just saying the vowel sound, I'm going to give you an ending. And then I only want you to tell me the vowel sound that you hear. All right, first one is Just tell me the sound you hear first.
Ah.
Good. All right, what card?
Oh.
Excellent. All right, next one is op. What vowel sound do you hear?
Ah.
Good.
Oh.
Good job. All right, the next one is it.
I.
Excellent. All right. Os.
Oh.
All right. In. What do you hear?
In.
Good. Ig.
I.
Very good. All right. Now, get a little harder.
Okay.
All right, now I'm going to say a whole word. Okay? And so I want you to just tell me the vowel sound that you hear. That's all. Okay? So the first word is pot.
Oh. Ah.
Good. All right. Yes.
Or,
Repeat the vowel sound first, and then just hold up the card when I give you thumbs up. All right. Next one is sim.
I.
Hop.
Ah. Oh.
Pig.
I.
Ooh, you did awesome. Good job. Woohoo. All right, so now that we've reviewed all the different things, I'm going to actually introduce to you a new sound today. Okay? Now, the new sound that we're going to work with today is this sound. It says ch. Can you say that for me? Ch. Okay? I want you to say it 3 times in a row. Ch, ch, ch. Excellent job. So, to help us remember that sound, we're going to use this card. Okay? Now, the ch sound is spelled with letters C-H. All right? Now, what we're going to do is this picture right here is going to actually be a reminder for us to remember that ch also represents what we have right here. What is this right here?
Chin.
Our chin. So, whenever we hear ch, we're going to represent with our chin. Okay? All right. Good job. So, I am going to help you remember this card by, I'm going to give you a sentence that has a whole bunch of this sound in it. And every time that you hear the ch sound, I want you to touch your chin.
Okay.
Okay? So, let's try this one. Charlie chooses cheese and cherries. Can you say that with me? Charlie chooses cheese and cherries. Okay, so now let's go back and touch our chin. All right. Charlie chooses cheese and cherries. Excellent, okay? So now we're going to do another. These are kind of tongue twisters. Cheerful children chant charming tunes. I can't read my own writing. Isn't that terrible? Cheerful children chant charming tunes. Can you say that with me? Cheerful children chant charming tunes. Okay, you ready to touch your chin for every... Okay, ready?
Okay. Cheerful children chant charming tunes.
Tunes. Oh,
yep.
Good job. All right. So I think you've got that sound there. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about this sound. What are some words that you already maybe know that you can think of in your head that have the ch sound? Can you think of any? I'm just going to write them here.
Something I like to eat.
Oh,
chip.
Who doesn't like chips? Okay. Can you think of any other words that have ch?
Chill.
Yes, chill. You just got to chill. Good job. All right. Can you think of any others?
Cheese.
Ooh, cheese. Cheese. Glorious cheese. Good job.
Chant.
Chant. Yes, we do a lot of chants in here with our phonic sounds. Okay, so those are 4 great words. You want to read them with me? We have chip, chill, cheese, and chant. So what I want you to do is I want you with this pen to circle the ch sound in each word. Can you do that for me?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Ch, 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 ch. Now, where did you notice you saw that sound in all those words?
At the beginning of the
Yes.
word.
Do you think that sound could ever come at the end?
Yeah.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So it doesn't always have to be at the beginning.
Right.
Okay, like in the word, listen to this weird word. It has it in both beginning and end. Ch, ch. Isn't that neat? It has it in both places.
Yeah.
All right, good job. I am so proud. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to... Oh, you get to write some words first. All right, so I'm going to give you this pencil, and I'm going to give you this piece of paper that is right over here. Whoops, let me go get it real quick. You might want to write with this pencil rather than write with this one. And so now that you heard the sound, I'm going to say some words, and what I want you to do is I want you to try to write those words as we go along. Okay. Nope. I'm sorry. We're going to count the sounds. We're going to pound and count the sounds. I apologize.
Okay.
That is all right. We are working and learning. So what this is this is a hand. And so this hand is actually going to help us to count the sounds that we hear in our words. But we're also going to pound it for each syllable that we hear. Okay? So we can do the first one together just so that you get the hang of it. Okay? So what I'll say is pencils up. Okay? And then what you'll do is, let's do the first word, chip, okay? So if you have your pencil up, you're going to actually say chip, and then you're going to count each sound that you hear. Ch, I, p, and then I'm going to say write it down, okay? And that's how it'll go, all right? Okay, good job. All right, so let's do the next one. The next one is going to be the word chug. So pencils up, okay? And now we're going to count the syllables, and then we're going to count the sounds, and it'll go like this. Chug, and then we'll go ch, good. Now I want you to write chug down there on the line. Good job. All right, next one is Chad. All right, you ready? Can you do it without me? All right. Okay.
Chad. Ch, a, d.
Ooh, good job. Write it down. Okay, ready? Pencils up. The next word is chin. Chin. You do it? Ready?
Chin. Ch, I, n.
your handwriting is beautiful. All right, the next one is chum. Ready? Pencils up.
Oh.
Ready? And pound. I forgot to tell you pound. Go.
Chum.
Ooh, good job. All right. The next one is chop. Ready? Pencils up and pound.
Chop. Chop.
Good job. Okay, and the next one is, listen, chap. Chap. Ready?
Okay.
Pound.
Chap. Chap.
Very good job. All right, the next one is chat. Ready? Pencils up and pound.
Chat. Chat.
All right, and our last one, listen to this one. Such. Ready? Pencils up and pound.
Such.
And write it down. Where'd you hear that sound at?
At the end.
Yes, good job. All right, so now that you wrote these, let's see how you did. And I have what we call a clean copy somewhere. Yes, it's hiding from me. All right, so this is what we call a clean copy. Okay, so now, right here, I want you to look at what you have. All right, and let's go back and read these from this copy. Okay, you ready? Okay. All right. So these are the first one. Remember the first one we did together.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So let's go back and read it. Ready?
Okay.
Go ahead and read those.
Chip. Chug. Add. Chad. Chin. Chum. Chop. Chap. Chat.
Excellent. So if you notice, look at yours compared to this. The only thing I could critique you on is, what do you notice about?
Yeah, I didn't do a capital.
Yes. And why do you think you need to?
Well, that makes sense because Chad is not a noun or anything. It's the name of somebody's name.
So yeah. So
Should have put a
it would be a
capital C.
proper noun. Yes, exactly. All right, very good. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put these actually into sentences now. So we're going to use our same pound method, but we're going to actually write sentences now, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to pound on your palm here
Mm-hmm.
for every syllable that you hear.
Okay.
And then after we do that, we're going to do it one more time, and then you're going to write the whole sentence by yourself, okay? So you got to be a good listener.
Okay.
So I'm going to say it only twice,
Okay.
but then to help you out, you want to pound each syllable,
Mm-hmm.
but you don't need to do the fingers here,
Okay.
okay? All right, and then you're going to write the sentence,
Okay.
okay? All right, so the first sentence is going to have our new sound in it. The first sentence is, he can chat and chop, okay? You want to pound it out with me this next time?
Yes.
Okay. He can chat and chop. Okay, now I need you to pick up your pencil and write that without me. Okay. Okay. Ready for the next one? Okay, we only have one more. All right. This one's kind of long though, so you got to really listen. All right. The sentence is: the chap and the lad had a chat. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Say it together. Okay.
All right.
Can you try it? The chap and the lad had a chat. Okay. All right. So if you need to pound it out, you can.
The chap and the lad had a chat.
Yes. Ooh, yes, I know it. But you're ready for it. Now, look at you. You started everything correctly. You got your 1, 2 check on each one. All right. So now I'm going to give you those sentences, and I want you to look at these sentences and look at your sentences. Okay, and read it from here. I want you to read it from here.
The chap and the lad had a chat.
Yes, very good job. Now, I'm so proud. You are getting this quickly. All right, so we are moving along. Let me turn my page right here. I think that we are done with this right here. So the next part of our lesson, we are actually going to learn what we call red words. Now, red words are words that do not follow our phonics rules, or they're just high-frequency words that we're going to be working with. So we can't use our palm hand to sound them out. We actually just have to spell them, okay? All right, so we're going to review some red words first, all right? And okay, now what we'll do is I'm going to tell you show you the red word, and you're going to read the card. Then after you read the card, we are going to lock and load. We're going to lock, and then we're going to load. And what we'll do is we'll say the word. Okay, we'll say the word, and then we're going to tap each letter out, and then we blend it on our arm. Okay? So the first one is, what is that word?
He.
He. Okay, so we'll go he. H-E. He. Excellent job. Okay, ready? All right, the next one. Let you read it.
His. H-I-S. His.
Okay. Oh, my hands are sticky.
Is. I-S. Is.
Okay.
C. S-E-E-C. For. F-O-R. For. And. A-N-D. And.
Very good job. Okay, those were quick. Okay, now the next ones are a little tricky. I'm only the one that can see these cards because these are the ones we've been really working on, and you should already have them in your head, okay? All right, so what I want you to do, the same thing, is you're going to lock and load it, but I'm not going to show it to you. You have to know how to spell it, okay? The next word is has.
Has. H-A-S. Has.
Of.
Of. O-V. Of.
Okay, let's look at it again.
I got it.
Okay.
Of. O-F.
Very
of.
good.
That is
okay. All right. So should I put this one back in the other pile, you think?
No, I'll remember it.
Okay. All
yeah,
right.
I'll remember
All right,
it.
the next word is to, like I go to the store.
To. T-O. To.
Good. And the last one is was.
This one tricked me before. But, was. W-A-S. Was.
Very good. All right. So now that we've reviewed these, I have a new one. Oh, yep, we got it both. Did I do that right? Okay, yes. I have a new one that I want to introduce to you today. Okay? So, the new word that you're going to learn today is the word go. Okay? G-O. And I'm going to use it in a sentence. I want to go to Disney World. Okay? So, our new word is what?
Go.
Go. All right? So, what I want you to do is I want you to, let's do our,
I think I can use it in a sentence.
okay, use it in a sentence.
I can use it in a sentence. We go to my grandmother's.
Yes, good job. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to practice writing this word. But we have something special to write it with, all right? Now, so we're going to place this over top of it. And since these are what we call red words, we're going to write our new red word right here on the line, and we're going to write it 3 times. And every time that we say it, we're going to spell it, and then we're going to underline it as we say it, okay? So, ready for the first time? Okay, so how are we going to spell it?
Go. G-O. Go.
Good. All right. One more time.
Go. G-O. Go.
Okay. And it says 2 times. I thought it was 3. Okay. All right. Now we've got to do our lock and load. You ready? Okay. So, ready?
Go. G-O. Go.
Woo. All right. Ready?
Go. G-O. Go.
Good. All right. Oh, we got to do it one more time. Ready? Okay.
Go. G-O. Go.
All right. So, now, the next thing we're going to do to make sure that we've got this in our brain is we are going to take our finger and we're going to trace and feel the texture of that crayon as we trace it. Okay? So you're going to do the same thing. Pretend that your finger is the red crayon this time. Okay? Ready? So spell it.
G-O. Go.
Good. One more time.
G-O. Go.
And one last time. We're going to do it 3 times.
G-O. Go.
Awesome. So now we're going to pretend like the sky is the chalkboard or the whiteboard. We're going to pretend our finger is a big old marker. And we're going to write in the air the same thing you just did down there. You ready? Okay.
G-O. Go.
One more time.
G-O. Go.
All right, last time.
G-O. Go.
Excellent. All right, so now pick up your red crayon again. You don't need your, yes, all right. And so right down here, it says we're going to write the new red word 3 times. Can you do that? Okay, go ahead.
G-O. G-O. Go.
Awesome. So now I'm going to hide the word from you. Okay. Hide the word and you can't see it. So do you think that you can write our new word go on this line without looking?
Right.
All right, so do that right here.
G-O. Go.
Awesome. Okay, so now the last thing we're going to do is we are going to write the sentence in pencil. Underline the red word. Oh, I'm going to give you a sentence with the new word. Okay, yes, I'm going to give you 2 sentences with the new word.
Okay.
Yes, all right. So just like we did before, I'm going to say the sentence, okay? And I want you to write that sentence. Here's one line, and that's the second line, okay? Right there, okay? So here's the sentence. Can I see him go? Listen to the ending punctuation, okay? All right. Can I see him go? Do you feel like you need to pound that out, or you got it? Okay. Woo. Excellent. All right, so here's the last sentence. Go and chop. Ooh, that sounds familiar.
Mm-hmm.
Go and chop the log. Okay. All right, let's see how you did. Here's the sentences. Read those.
Can I see him go?
Next one.
Go and chop the log.
Excellent job. Woo! You are learning so much today. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put all of our new knowledge together by reading a story. And this story is called, let's see if you can help me with it. Okay, here's the title.
The Chums Chop and Chop.
Yes. All right. So what I want you to do is I just want you to read that story to me out loud. Can you do that?
Yep.
Good job.
Chip is a chap. Chad is his chum. I wonder what a chap is.
So, Chad is his chum, and Chip is his chap.
Maybe a brother? Or somebody older? Or a friend?
Or a friend. Or a pal.
A pal?
Okay.
Chip did chop a log. He can chip and chop, chop and chip. Did Chad see Chip chop the log? Can Chad chop? Can I chop?
job.
Chad can chop and chip. Chad chips and chats.
Okay.
Wait, that's Chad chops and chats. Chad and Chip chat, chat, chat. No. Bop. A chip of the log hit Chad on the chin.
Uh-oh.
Chad. Mom had to chat at Chad. Mom had to chat at Chad. He cannot chop and chat.
Uh-oh.
The Chip. Mom had to chat at Chip. He cannot chop and chat. The chums cannot chop and chat. Chop, chip, chat.
That was tough. Good job.
Chip and Chad chat, not chop. Chat, 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 chat.
Ooh, excellent. And you self-corrected yourself. That is a good reader. Good readers always self-correct themselves. So the last thing we're going to do for fun is we're just going to act out some fun words in the story. So if I said the word chin, how would you act that out? Good job. All right, if I said the word chip, how would you act that out? Okay. If I said the word chop, how would you act that out? Chop. All right, and if I said chat, how would you act that out? All right. Give yourself a round of applause. You're so awesome. Good job.